Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your rotor, your rear hub and rotors on a 20. This is a 2018 Malibu right here. I'll show you how you do that. All right. So first, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Alright, so the first thing first, we're gonna take the tire off, and it's gonna be 19 millimeter to take it off. So to take the tire off, it's gonna be 19 millimeter. Which I already did. If you notice somebody been in here because they're missing a screw that hole here, and you don't really need it, but it's good to have it. Like when you're gonna put the rotor on, it will keep the rotor there. So, all right. So the next thing is to take the brake off. So you're gonna come back here, and this gonna be 18 millimeter. Here, this is going to be an 18 millimeter. It's going to be two of them, one here, the other one down here, as you can see. I know there's a lot of noise in the background, but please bear with me. And you want to take off your rotor, you can hook it up with your caliper. You can hook it up here so it don't hang on the caliper. So that's good. Go ahead, take off your rotor. Once again, your rotor might have a screw right here. You just need to take that out. Probably be a torque. So and it might stuck like this. So what you're gonna need to do is spray WD-40 and knock around the edges like here. Knock around the edges. Alright, so that's that for that. And now it's time to take off the hub. And back here you're gonna have one screw right here, one right here, one right here, and another one down here. So I'm gonna take off those three, and the hub should come off. All right. So if you look right here, guys, you can see where I'm taking out these 18 millimeter right here. All right. They're also 18 millimeter, all three. So I'm gonna take out this all the way. Same thing for this one right here. As you can see right there. And another one down here. Right. That's the new one right here. Tighten these up. Alright guys, so the hub is on. All the 3 bolts in the back, 3 18mm bolts are tightened. They're tight. So what next to do is to put the rotor on. And remember we're missing a screw, so don't put it without the screw, all right? Because when the wheel go here, then the screw become useless. But that's the only purpose I see the screw, just to hold the rotor still like this for when you're working on it. But apart from that, you really don't need that screw. So, and most time they're a pain in it. They're a pain to take out. All right. With your 18mm. So now this is what I do so far. I catch that screw right here, that bolt right here for the caliper. I'm gonna tighten that up, and then we put on the wheel and pump the brakes up, and then we should be good to go. So yeah guys, you want to double check your work, make sure all is well. Caliper on, rotor on, hub on. Now it's time to put on the tire. And guys, if you guys still here, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. Help me help you. That's it guys. Alright, peace out. See you next time. Hey guys, I just want to say thank yous to all my subscribers. You guys really helped me a lot. Now I'm at 6,000 subscribers. I know it's not a lot, but thank you. Thank you for supporting me, watching my video. Thank you for sharing it. Thank you to all the loyal subs that I have. And if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. You know, I started YouTube from 2011, and now I'm here trying to help people because I like helping people, so I do it. But if you guys can help me, donate anything you want to donate, I'll really appreciate it. All right, thank you for your love and support. I'm lost for words. I don't know. I wasn't expecting to do YouTube like this, but you guys really keep on motivate me with the good comments and the feedback from my video. And that's it. See you next time. Peace out.